Hi guys, this is Meghna and I'm a fashion beauty fitness blogger. So I personally believe to have a good skin you need to work out. You need to have a good and clean food, of course. Although due to my daily basis makeup routine, it has caused a lot of acne issues. But this cleanser from Neutrogena has saved my life totally. In this video I'm going to review about the cleanser, like how it is effective on your acne and how do I apply on my face. The special thing about this cleanser is it has salicylic acid, and if you don't know what is salicylic acid, then you need to Google, guys, that it helps a lot to fight acne while cleansing your skin. And this is not suitable for dry skin. Be very much clear about it, what skin type you have. This is not suitable for dry skin. It is only effective for oily skin and for the acne prone skin. So let me show you how do I use this cleanser on my face. So first I wet my face and then I take a drop of this cleanser. Then I gently massage on my face in circular motion and then wash it off with water. So I highly recommend this product to those who has oily skin like me and who's of course struggling to get rid of acne. Also don't forget to subscribe to Khooobsooorat because you are beautiful.